I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your ESIM to a new device can be a bit tricky, but it is manageable with the right steps. Here is how to do it with Koodo. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your new device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent smartphones do, but it is good to double check. Step 2. Back up your current ESIM. Before making any changes, back up your current ESIM settings. This can usually be done through your device's settings. Step 3. Access Koodo's ESIM transfer tool. Log into your Koodo account online or through their app. Look for the ESIM transfer tool in the account settings. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you find the transfer tool, follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. You may need to confirm your identity or provide a verification code. A quick note, if you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or ensure your email is linked correctly in your account settings. Step 5. Activate ESIM on your new device. After the transfer is complete, go to the settings on your new device to activate the ESIM. Scan the QR code provided by Koodo or enter the details manually. And that is it. You should now be all set up with your ESIM on your new device. If you run into any issues, Koodo as customer support is always there to help. Happy connecting!